Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Pay
and Lee,
the Paley family. Today we are going to be trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Anyways, we have
spicy and
mild. Just have a little piece of them.
This one is spicy. It just has a spicy sauce on it. That's how you know.
And this one's mild.
So I think we should try the mild one first.
Okay. Hey guys, so we're gonna try the mild one first. Let's go.
It has a pickle taste. I hate pickles. Because there are pickles on here. I should say the chick-fil-A one. But it tastes like the regular chicken burger with Popeyes chicken. I mean, not exactly supposed to be, but well, my one is right there. Doesn't taste like really anything.
Oh, my one is not bad. It's okay. Then we have, what do you think of the?
My rating at 1 out of 10. I think like a 6. I don't know why people were arguing over this.
I'm gonna play like a 7. It was good.
It was good. I mean, I eat it again, but I think this one's gonna be better. This smells like pickles.
Ew. I think this one's gonna be better because it has like a taste to it. And it's not just regular. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, good.
it's like a little tingle.
It's spicy.
Oh, good. I like the spicy one than the other one. I was a spicy one 10 out of 10. I really like this one. This one's a 10 out of 10.
It's spicy better.
The spicy tastes like 10 out of 10. The mild tastes like
It's
6.
it tastes like a.
This is a regular chicken sandwich that you would get from anywhere.
The regular one tastes like a Chick-fil-A. Ooh.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so we never did the ending to this video, so we're gonna do it now. I ended up liking the spicy chicken sandwich better than the mild. It just had a better taste and didn't taste like a regular Chick-fil-A sandwich.
So if you want to go try it, if you don't like spicy stuff, it wasn't spicy at all.
Yeah,
It
it was normal, mild, whatever.
Yeah, but it was like better than the other one because it had like a little bit of more flavor. And if you guys want to go try it, I recommend the spicy chicken sandwich instead of doing the mild.
But if you can't handle the spiciness, then don't do it. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a like, comment down below what else you want to see from us.
We'll see you next time. Bye.